Hello folks, Waz here, B&B Audio Concepts, and today we have another Porsche in for a Kenwood 8021. Let me show you what we've done. So we've done the Porsche logo on this so it looks more factory. We've taken out the original PCM because there was no DAB, there was no Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. It was just a bit prehistoric. So this one now is a Kenwood 8021 with a 3-year warranty, and here we go. It's got Apple CarPlay now running, Android Auto, DAB and Bluetooth. If I just go to DAB, we've got the steering wheel working. We've also got the factory reverse camera working, so, and moving guidelines. And we've got the park assist working thanks to C2, and job done. If you guys are interested, give us a ring. We will be happy to help you, okay? We're based in Cardiff. It's B&B Audio Concepts, and telephone number 02920 707 275. Thank you very much.